Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Thank you very much for joining me. I have a fun project planned for us today. I hope this video inspires you to create something of your own. If you would, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. That helps me to grow this channel and to continue to bring you new projects. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing? And if you have, thank you very much. Well, we have a lot to do, so let's get to it. Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Thank you so much for joining me. It's been a hot minute since I've been able to give you an update on the homestead, but I wanted to jump on and do that for you now. My husband's been pretty sick. Just got out of the hospital, but feeling much better now. So, just wanted to catch up on some of the things we were able to accomplish in the spring before everything went haywire. So that's our big fence project back there. They did a great job. We could not have done it without them. So we're very grateful. We were able to get the benches built in that shelf. More to do here, but it'll come in time. But yeah, the new fence all the way back looks great. Here's the greenhouse. Our plumeras are really happy with this weather that we're having. It's pretty hot, but cools down in the evenings just enough for everything to have a little bit of a break. We put down some tar paper in here just to try to keep us from having to bend over and pull weeds, right? That's getting a little bit harder, but there we go. It seems to be working so far. And then everything out here is just flourishing. This is our spinach over here. Spinach and collard greens are doing great, and our chickens just absolutely love them. All right, there is the greenhouse. Here's the new fence behind the run. It's almost getting to dusk, so they are starting to go in and settle for the evening, but they heard my voice, and so they're coming out. Hello, chickens. Hello, chicks. They're growing up. Hello, chicks. Hello, girls. They think they're gonna get some treats. No, no treats. It's bedtime. Hello, chick. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this update on the homestead. If you did, please like, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, would you please consider subscribing? And well, until next time, happy homesteading. And there's Tomasi, one of his favorite things to do. All right, until next time, y'all.